Hello, today is the day of OnlyOffice. OnlyOffice, some kind of a Microsoft Office alternative. Very powerful, very powerful. You can even do some features that are not existent. And basically, you have for OnlyOffice, you have the three different possibilities. So first, you have like here this presentation editor. Then you have sheets like Excel, and then you have as well the document, which is basically like Word. So let's just download, try to install, and it's very nice. It's free. So let's just see here for download. Windows 11 MSI, why not? And yeah, we will try download. I don't know how big it is. It's only like that, so we can wait. And yeah, the good thing about this app is you don't need to have Microsoft paid for Office. So you have basically just equal features. You can open PPTX file, you can open docx file, you can do whatever you want. You can even edit PDF like a Word file. So very powerful. You will see, and yeah, it will be ready in just a second. So let's wait for it. All right, installing. Maybe we already have it. Ah, so that's why. Okay. Because I have different user, on my PC here, I have different user, and that's why I had already installed, but you should be fine with installation. So let's just open it, and I will show you some quirk of the tool. So we have here the four option document spread, present, and yeah, we can also make the default app and even PDF. And just skip this one. And the beautiful stuff is here. If you have a PDF, you can edit it. So PDF success story download. Some success stories here, for example, this one. Mm, try it again. Maybe it only works with yes, like this. Today is not the day. Editing. Add or edit shapes, images. So those files all seem to be kind of like print to PDF, for example, and now my own. And maybe this will do the thing. So my own. Ah, there you go. You have to click on the edit text. Did you see what I did there? Okay, but now we have like the possibility to work inside a PDF. And the beauty of it, I just saved it, and now if we click here, we see all the changes directly. And this is so powerful, believe me. This is so super powerful for like working. So you should definitely try out. So thank you very much. This has been the additional Only Office, the Microsoft Office alternative. And yeah, I would be happy to hear your thoughts. It's quite unused, it's uncommon, but you should consider. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.